really far downstream, and I took one cast. I saw like a 1 pound smallmouth going after it. So I didn't even think there were going to be fish in here. But there's fish. And it's real remote. Right down this country road, right at the bottom of this country road. I think it's like Route 603 or something. We're going to get some smallmouth. Alright. First fish. That is little fallfish. I swore I saw a smallmouth though. Oh, that was a bass. Oh man. It's all pretty fast. I need to bring my machete here so I can get into that stuff. Holy mother of thorns. Oh my gosh. Got one. Another fallfish. Alright. Also saw a decent little bluegill down there. Swell. Alright, little fallfish. I did lose a smallmouth up by that bridge. So hopefully I can get another one before the river ends here and becomes private property. Who's going after it? Did you get it? Yeah, you got it. Alright, another little fallfish. Here it goes. Is that a largemouth? Got him. I mean smallmouth? Yes, it is smallmouth. Actually, no, that's not a smallmouth. What is this? Ow. Is that a... This here is either a rock bass, a roanoke bass. I think it's a rock bass. No, it is a rock bass. And Blopletes rupestris. I did not expect to see one of these up here. Check that out, huh? It's pretty. Let me get a picture. Got him. What is it? Looks like a hybrid between a green sunfish and a green sunfish. Or wait, red belly sunfish and a green sunfish. That would just make a green sunfish. Okay. Yep. Pretty little things. Got him. What is he? That is a smallmouth. Yay! Look at that. He ain't bad neither. I mean, for this little stream, he ain't bad. Foul hooked him, but it's okay. Look at that. Aren't these fish pretty? Got the red eyes, tail. That's how I knew it was a smallmouth. I saw that black on the end of the tail. Well, I guess some largemouth had that too. Okay. Here he goes. There was a bigger one in here though. He missed it. So I'm gonna get that fish. It's the last thing I do. Got another one. Another smallmouth.
practically the same size. I'll take these fish all day long. There it goes. Alright, another fall fish. I swear, these are the most squirmy fish in existence. Calm down, little buddy. There you go. Wait, what the heck? Ow. That's not a rock. Listen to that, it's hollow. No, this is rock. Is this like some sort of well underneath here? Okay, be free. There's a fish. That is another little rock bass. At least I think they're rock bass. Don't have mercy if I'm wrong, but I think these are rock bass. Yeah? Yeah. Roblitz rupestris. Got him. Little fall fish. Little baby. Okay, that cast is all messed up. This is the last cast. Okay, enough of that. Move somewhere else. Dang. If I could just get up to that pool over there. Oh, that is one pretty looking pool. Oh, there's tons of fish in there. Who knows? There might be tons of fish, tons of smallmouth. Maybe something different. I don't know. Okay, we're on Route 602 right now. Probably the most fun route ever to drive on. And now we're going on the off-road trail. And I know that because I know the off-road trail goes parallel to the creek. So, catch some fish down here. Okay. So that's as far as I'm gonna go. There we go. Little fall fish. Oh. And it pays off. Alright. He's free. Come on, there we go. Another little fall fish. Yep, that's fall fish. Ooh, that's a fish. Little green sunfish? Yes, little green sunfish. They're greeny. It's funny. They're either inhaling it or they're just like not even getting one hook. They get 2+ hooks or they get 0 hooks. They never just get 1 hook. Oh, this one has 3. How am I supposed to get that out? And there he goes. Let's see if there's anything in here. Yep, there sure is. Smallmouth? Yeah. That's what we came for, son. He's got good colors too. There, let me unhook him first. Alright, there is the smallmouth. Pretty, huh? Let's let him go. Ooh, yep, there's another one. Okay, fallfish. And there he is. And there he goes. There's a lot of fish in there. Hopefully I can get some more. As you noticed, I may be throwing a different colored lure. That is because the other one is stuck in the tree over there. So, ooh, nice little bass. Yeah, he smacked it, I tell you what. Ow, gosh dang. Still a little green. There we go. Yeah, the one I saw in the first pool is probably about 3 times that size. So, let's get some more. Ooh, there's a fish. Another little smallie. Just barely hooked. That's a more accurate representation of how they've been biting today. Just barely. Oh. Oh, fallfish. Little guys, but I will take them. I do not discriminate. Little, small, catch them all. So this is the last cast. Cast to end all casts. No, actually they cast to end all casts. There's a cast stuck in the tree right there. But
still lost. Oh man.